Hello viewer, Assalamu alaikum. The history of science in the Muslim world. Islam was founded by the Prophet Muhammad, who taught a worldview based on the belief in one God and individual responsibility. The Islamic religion emphasizes the importance of the pursuit of knowledge and encourages its followers to study God's works in all areas of life. The connection between Islam and science began in the 8th century during the period known as the Islamic Golden Age, which lasted from the 8th to the 13th centuries. During this time, Islamic civilization flourished, producing many significant advances in science, mathematics, philosophy, medicine, geography, art, and other areas. In addition to these individual achievements, Islamic civilization also created institutions that fostered scientific research and scholarship, such as the House of Wisdom in Baghdad, which was a center for translating and preserving scientific texts from ancient Greece, Persia, and India. Islamic science continued to flourish for many centuries but declined from the 13th century onwards as the power and influence of Islamic empire decreased. However, the contributions of Muslim scholars to science and philosophy continue to be valued and studied to this day. Islamic science has a rich history, with many important names that have contributed significantly to many fields. Here are some of the most prominent names. Al-Khwarizmi, the father of algebra, as he wrote a book called Al-Jabr, which introduced the concept of algebra and the use of Arabic numerals. He was also a scholar of astronomy and geography. Ibn al-Haytham is known for his work in optics and is often considered the father of modern optics. He wrote the book, Kitab al-Manazir, the book of optics, which introduced the concept of the camera obscura and explained how the eye perceives light. Al-Razi, physician, philosopher, and alchemist who is often called the father of pediatrics. He wrote many medical texts, including the comprehensive book on medicine, and made significant contributions to the fields of chemistry and alchemy. Ibn Sina, Avicenna, physician and philosopher who wrote the book, The Canon of Medicine, which became a standard medical text in Europe for centuries. He also made significant contributions to the fields of astronomy, philosophy, and mathematics. Al-Farabi was a philosopher and musician who wrote on a wide range of topics, including metaphysics, ethics, and political philosophy. He also wrote a book on music theory called Kitab al-Musiqi al-Kabir. Ibn Rushd, Averroes, he was a philosopher and physician who wrote commentaries on the works of Aristotle and made significant contributions to the fields of logic and metaphysics. Thank you for watching.